Welcome to Enchanted Tarot. This is for the sign of Scorpio. It is a general reading. That being said, it may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't sound like it's your story, check your other placements. Your messages could be there. So what I see here is this man. He wants to take a deeper look at a situation. He looks here this way. That's to the past. So and he's thinking of a romantic connection. Okay, so he wants to take a deeper look at it. He seems to be seeking clarity about, it could be about anything having to do with that person and the past. So a past situation, that person's feelings. Um, they're seeking clarity. They could be seeking answers. They could be seeking a solution. Yeah. Okay. This person, they're still in love with you if you're the one in the past. Otherwise, this person is you. It could go vice versa. So this person is still in love with somebody in the past. Yeah, there you go. Something that ended. But the love is still here. The love is still here, and they're thinking of taking a risk. So whatever this is feels risky to them. They could be thinking of making a play. They could be thinking with the dice of throwing caution to the wind. Yep, there's the Fool. So taking a leap of faith, following their heart, throwing caution to the wind. This emperor also looks to the past, but he also looks over here at this card, and this is Esclamant de Foi. This is the Empress. And so this is them facing their fears about a new beginning with this person in the past, okay? Taking that leap of faith. Why? Because this person is the one for them. Okay, this person is the one for them. And this is all about a decision to go back, to throw caution to the wind, and to take that leap of faith, okay, on this relationship. So they got fears surrounding this relationship. They are conflicted. There could have been a standoff between you and this person where there was a period of time you probably weren't talking. Now they want this new opportunity. This is what's at the root, a new opportunity and a leap of faith. Facing their fears. This is the decision. Should I or shouldn't I? That's what they're sitting there thinking. That's what they're thinking. This ended badly. See, there's the standoff, and it left them in the Ten of Swords energy. But look what's underneath it. I want them back. I want them back. That's what that card says. Nine of Wisdom is a solution. It is what they're looking for, but this could speak to a connection to the divine and divine guidance, paying attention to the signs, following your intuition, and that will lead you where you want to go, okay, or to a solution. That message is for this person. I feel like, again, this could be intuition and following the heart. And this could be, uh, what's on their mind. Do I follow my heart? Because it's so strongly indicated here about the intuition, about following their heart, paying attention to the signs, connecting with the divine. And this is all this energy, and that's what he's looking at. That's what he's taken a deeper look at. Should I do this? He's on the outside looking in. So this person could be watching you, and they have a plan, but they may have needed to make adjustments to this plan. The plan is to tell you how they feel. The plan could also include an apology if they've done something wrong. Okay? This is the next step. They don't tell me what he did. They just we just know that there was a standoff. Okay? So, well, the dog could speak to loyalty and faithfulness. That those things could have been in question, or they it could have been something that was feared. With the moon being here, they may have that could be something that was sitting in the subconscious memories surrounding, fear of betrayal. So this is really the next step. It's what they want. They want to deepen the relationship, okay? They may be hoping for a lucky break even, because this can speak to some luck coming in. They want to have the bigger picture, so they climb up into this tower in order to see the distance, to see out over the land. Okay, so this has to do with a story or somebody's story. Um, this could be um, this could be uh, wondering what to believe. So obviously, this is something that they're remembering. They're up in their tower and they're looking out over the lay of the land, and they're remembering somebody's story. And so that's what's making everything feel risky here. They don't know what to believe. Maybe they don't know what to believe. Maybe they're heavily burdened by somebody's story. Maybe because of the subconscious mind. They're alone and they're lonely and they want to return to someone. That's a return card right there. And this is what the hermit is shining his light on. Do I return or not? Do I throw caution to the wind and do this? Because it's what my heart wants. It's what my heart wants. And so I feel like things have been very quiet. It's like everything's just been really quiet. And this person has been doing a lot of thinking. And now I think it may be time for action. There's the tower, and there's the tower. It's twice. And so I don't think that this tower is a bad thing. I think that it's simply indicating somebody that is going to come back unexpectedly and shake up your world. That's what I think it is. Okay? Because it's coming with temperance. This is about a healing. And so, and I feel like this is coming, there's that standoff again. So this is putting an end to that standoff. Okay? This is, it's coming with this Six of Swords. So somebody is returning to you, all right, and they want to shake things up. Okay? From what I can see, they've decided to throw caution to the wind and take that leap of faith, and they're going to jump into this. Okay, so they're trying a brand new approach. They're going to follow their heart. They're going to persevere here towards a healing. So if you've been sitting around waiting for this person, sitting in your tower waiting for this person, then Get ready, fasten your seatbelt. Things are about to start moving. Things are about to start moving. Here's the message right there. And this is something that is coming that is very, very reliable. Okay, it's an idea, it's an opportunity, it's something that they wish to plant and make grow. Again, there's an indicator of a surprise coming, okay, with the salamander in his hand. So some very surprising news will open up this next chapter. That is what I have for you. I thank you for watching, for liking, and for sharing my videos and for subscribing. Also, thank you to everyone who has sent in a donation. It is greatly appreciated. Many blessings to all of you.